Hi friends, I am Mrs. Ragini. I am very excited today because I am showing a sweet. I love sweets, my entire family loves sweets. So today a very basic simple sweet. This is a traditional way of making. You can either deep fry it or steam it and have it, but today I am making a steamed version, dumplings, and this is traditionally called Kudumulu in Telugu, but if you want you can call, or whichever name you want you can just give it. I am making today stuffed Kudumulu, that is stuffed steamed dumplings. So let's start how to make this stuffed steamed dumplings. To make this, first we need some rice flour. So here is some rice flour. First we are going to make this a dough. So to make this a dough, we are going to add some hot water and we will make this first dough. So here I have a because I said it's steaming, so here I have the steamer, so I am using the same water. This is slightly hot. If you want you can just add little bit of salt in it, very little, because we are doing sweet, so very little of salt in this, and just mix it once. And in this we are going to add the water and we are going to make a dough out of it. Just add little, then make a dough. Be careful, this is hot, so just very carefully mix this. So dear friends, here I mix the dough nicely. See, this is nice and soft. So rice flour tend to break, so don't worry if it is breaking also, you can just join. So here is the dough mixed with hot water only. So this is ready. What we are going to do is we are going to make into nice small puris, then we are going to stuff this. In this we are going to stuff today is some chana dal. So here what I did is I have chana dal. I nicely boiled this chana dal till it is little bit mashed like this, and this we are going to add it into a bowl. Just remove the excess water. So we are going to just mash this little bit. If you want you can just add it in a blender also. We don't want to mash it too much, just little bit of grainy we need. So here you can see I nicely mashed it little bit, but I can see little bit of grains in it. So this is done. In this we are going to add the sweetness. I am making sweet, so obviously sweetness. So today I am using Jaggery. Depending upon your sweetness you can just add some grated Jaggery and mix this into this chana dal. And sweets means we need to add some dry fruits. I love dry fruits, my husband loves dry fruits, so lot of dry fruits. So here I am adding some almonds. I sliced it finely, and some cashew nut finely grated, and some cardamom powder to give little bit of flavor. Mix it nicely, and this mixture now we are going to stuff it in our rice flour dough. That's it. So here our steamer is also ready, stuffing is also ready, and our dough is also ready. So now the process is to just stuff it and steam it. So dear friends, both the mixture is there, but I want little bit of ghee to be added in this sweet mixture. So very little of ghee, because we did not add anything, and this we are not going to fry it, so there is no ghee. So I thought I'll just add very little ghee in this stuffing mixture. That is our chana dal mixture, and this is ready. And now just take a small dumpling of your rice flour and make into a small round dumpling, and just dust little bit flour, and now just press it like this and rotate it, even if the edges break, so don't worry, just press it like this. Don't make it too thin, little bit thick, this will be thick itself. So that's it. We are going to stuff this. Take very little and put it at a one corner and distribute half of the way, and now just apply little bit of water to the edges so that we can seal it. That's it. And this just close it. Rice flour tends to break, so don't worry if it is breaking. Once it is done you can just attach it again. That's it. And this now we are going to steam it, so be gentle, just that's it. If you have any excess dough also, what you can do is you can just cut the excess dough, and if you want only the sweet part you can just take it. Just how we make our gujiyas, just you can cut it the excess and this onto the steamer. So dear friends, you can just arrange it like this in a steamer, or even if you have an idli steamer, you can just steam it directly into our idli steamer. And if you want, you can just apply little bit of ghee on top of it also, and then cover it with a lid, and this we are going to steam it for 15 minutes and our nice steamed stuffed dumplings will be ready, that is our Kudumulu will be ready. So we are going to wait for another 10 minutes to steam this nice awesome dumplings. So dear friends, after 10 to 12 minutes of steaming this, in between if you want you can just check it, just remove the lid, because we already added hot water, and this won't take much time, but only thing you can just check. Earlier it was nice and dry, now you can see lot of moisture, and take one toothpick or fork, just poke it once and see this has come neat and this is perfectly cooked. That's it. Just switch off the flame and this stuffed steamed dumplings are ready. Just remove this directly from the steamer. This is very very delicate, so take it gently and into a plate. How we make our momos, the same way, but this you can have it just like that, or just apply little bit of ghee on top of it and you can nicely enjoy it. So dear friends, here are, if you see, these are like gujiyas, but these are steamed stuffed dumplings. So in the last, if you want, just take little bit of ghee and apply on top of it and just break open. You can see nice stuffing inside, and this I am going to enjoy it just like this. These are mind blowing. I am just enjoying this. This is very 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 nice, very simple to make it, and even this is healthy. Even if you want, you can just skip the ghee, enjoy like this. Really friends, this is very very nice. If you want to enjoy this, please 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 do make this. You're going to enjoy this and your family will also enjoy it. Very simple to make it, very tasty. So see you in another session with some more nice recipes.